This video is sponsored by vcgmotion. This trendy graphic pack consists of 4,300 plus graphics element, and it's available for After Effects and Premiere Pro. This pack is collection of trendy motion graphics element, which includes for slideshow, Instagram story, minimal logo reveals. This trendy graphics pack includes openers, widgets, social medias, clean and minimal titles, number for infographics videos, labels, background, unique glitch items, color correction preset, and much more. Now let's open After Effects, and let's see in details what this pack has to offer. Here you can see, I have already opened the complete Trendy Graphics pack. This Trendy Graphics pack link is provided in the description. This pack works with Atom extension, and if you are a first-time user, then you need to install this Atom extension. And to install this Atom extension, first you need to install the ZXP installer. Download link for ZXP installer is provided in the description. Depending on your operating system, you can select your installer. To install Atom extension, you just need to drag and drop the Atom installer, or you can direct the path to open it. Here I have already installed the Atomx extension. You can see it in After Effects. To view this extension, go to Windows, Extensions, select Atomx. To open this graphics pack, you need to drag and drop the Trendy Graphics file, and you are ready to use it. You can see this graphics pack includes scenes, typography, elements, transitions, adjustments, and sound effects. Let's see them one by one. In the scenes category, you can see there are 4 different subcategories. First one is the openers. If you hover over this animation, you can see the live preview playing. There are more than 70 plus openers. In logo reveal, here we have the minimal logo reveal. Here we also get the awesome glitch logo reveal. Here you can see, we also have square Instagram post. There are so many posts. Here you get the choice to select the post which you like. Here we also have the Instagram stories. There are so many different types of stories available to select. Now let's see how to use these animations. Here you can select any opener you want, but first, we need to create a new composition. As usual, we will keep all settings as same. This graphics pack is auto-resizable. Later on in this tutorial, we will see how it works. Before selecting any animation, you need to make sure you have selected the composition in which you want to add the opener. Here I will select this opener animation. This will take a few seconds to load the package, and to open the opener in this composition. Now let's see the preview. To customize this opener, click on this customizer icon. In the customizer, you can see the color controls. Here you can change the text 1 color, text 2 color, background 1 color, and background 2 color. Here you can set any color of your choice. Perfect. Now let's change the text. In Edit Text, here you can see the text field. You can change the text by replacing the previous text with the text you want. This is the main text. Let's change the subtext. Perfect. Now let's add the in and out animation. Heads up to the toolbar. Here you need to select time in and out. This will add the marker to the opener composition. You can position the marker to set the time duration of animation. Let's set the in marker at 2 seconds. And out marker at 3 seconds. Now depend on your composition, you need to trim the layer at position you want to end your composition. Let's see the preview from start. Perfect. This in and out animation works with all the elements available in this graphics pack. This graphics pack is auto-resizable, so let's remove this composition. Now we will change this composition resolution. Go to the composition settings, or you can just open it by clicking Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Here we will change width of this composition to 1080. This will make this composition as square, which is style of Instagram post. Here we are just trying if these openers can automatically resize and adjust according to the composition. Here you can select any of this openers. Here I will select this. Let's apply it to the composition. This composition starts where my time indicator is. Let's adjust its position at start. You can see this opener is completely resized. Let's see the preview. Perfect. Now let's try this with Instagram story format. First we need to remove this composition. Go to the composition settings, or you can just open it by clicking Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Here we will change height of this composition to 1920. Perfect. Let's apply the opener to this composition to see if this fits for a vertical format. Let's see the preview. Perfect. Here you can see, these openers works with any format. And they are completely auto-resizable. Let's see what more we are getting with this pack. Logo reveal. There are so many logo reveals available here, which includes minimal and glitch. In typography section, you can see here, we have cool minimal titles. There are so many titles, which you can try by just applying it to your composition. Here we also have lower thirds. You can use these lower thirds in your videos. I will maximize this panel to see them all in a complete screen. Here you can see all the lower thirds available in this pack. You can select the lower third of your choice, and used it. You can use them multiple times. Here we also have super simple titles. These titles look awesome to use in slideshows. Numbers, which we can use in infographics videos. Callout, which we can use in our videos, to showcase our product or tracking any object. Next we have the pop-up. These are some cool and simple pop-up titles. Here we also have glitch title. There are two types of glitch titles. Simple glitch titles, and complex glitch title. We can use this glitch titles while creating intro, or trailer title. Here we have vintage badges. Big titles. Captions. In Elements categories, we have the widgets, social media, which includes like button, subscribes lower third for videos. Here we also have labels. You can use this to show the offers running or showcasing your product. We also have the icons pack. We also have some cool and minimal shapes. Swipe up, you can use this in your Instagram stories. We have 3 types of backgrounds: flat background, gradient background, and ramp background. Here is our important part of these packs, it's transitions pack, which I like most. There are so many different types of transitions available in this pack. You can see this transition previews. Here we also have the distortion transitions. Distortion transitions includes twirl, twirl perspective, lens, turbulence, stretch. We also have the fade transition, glitch transitions. There are 6 types of glitch transitions. Minimal transitions, minimal matte transitions. Here we also have the adjustment, which is basically color correction. To enhance your video or any project you are working on, you can use this. This pack also includes the particles. You can use them as overlays in your project. And at last, we have the sound effects. You can use these sound effects for your transitions. You can see the preview by just hovering them over, and the music starts to play. Here we have different type of music, which we can use. That's all for this pack, guys. Overall, I liked this pack. I am using this pack from last week. It is super easy and has all the elements I need in my videos. And it also saves my time to create some effects I need. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you in next video, with some awesome text animation. And if you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.